Okay, I'm in the AMG-powered i4 Lotus Emira, and there's a very peculiar thing about this car when it comes to the acoustics. So I'm in comfort mode right now, meaning the exhaust isn't quiet. I have the windows down. Listen to the intake noise. Ready? I'm just going to accelerate normally, okay? That is all you hear out of your left ear, normally. Now, if I put it into, say, track mode, the exhaust isn't loudest. Now you can hear the exhaust do the same thing. Isn't that wild? With the windows up, it's much less pronounced and you get more just exhaust noise. Here, I'm still in track. Put my foot down. But it's crazy. It sounds like a 747 taking off or some sort of fighter jet or something. Anyway, happy Sunday.